you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. You need any motivation to clean your room? You've clicked on the right video. If your room looks like a mess and you need the inspiration to start cleaning it, then I'm glad you're here. Make sure you stay. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you stay for the good tips. Make sure you stay for the good tips so we can get this show rolling.
It's been so long. You've been so tough.
For start cleaning is to start from the top. 1. Clean off the items on the surfaces first. Then put them in a place that is safe so that you can clean that area and organize it. Okay. Safe place is my bed right here. If there's trash on your desk, just make sure you put it in the respective places. If those respective places aren't clean yet, then keep it in a safe place until we get to that part. Step 2, clean everything after you remove everything off of your desk. Clean it, replace everything in the respectful places, and maybe rearrange it a little bit, and then we're gonna move on to the drawers and then the closet. So I'm actually living out of my suitcase because I'm going home for spring break. So disregard that I still gotta clean out these drawers. First one is usually for school stuff or electronics. Looks like we have some highlighters, some creative papers, stickers for my sister. What's it? I think it's tape. We got tape. What is this? This is a bag for my glasses, but as you can see, my glasses are nowhere to be found. And oh my god, I was looking for this. For my get ready with me video, I was literally looking for this to put around my waist, but I used a shoelace instead because I couldn't tie my thingy. What do you call that thing? You'll see. Oh, and there goes my glasses. The BTS photos that I used to have. These are memories. I have it played. Oh yes, I have. Nice. Haven't finished it though. I haven't finished Kingdom Hearts 2 and 3. And I know what goes on in Kingdom Hearts 1 and Birth by Sleep, but I need to play those. Because I watched my sister play those. So I know I know the story like it's the back of my hand, no matter how complex it is. I'll explain why I have my pencil case in here, but we're just gonna let it ride because this is for the sake of organization. Keep things nice and organized. I usually use a bag for all of my chargers, but that's my suitcase, which I need to bring back up here. But if you're trying to organize something, make sure you use a container, or if you don't have containers and you're cheap like me, use grocery bags. Write on them. At least you'll be organized. Yeah. This drawer is basically the makeup drawer, or stuff that I use for my hair, such as bonnets, scarves, all of that shazam, and jewelry. Not quite sufficient, but like I said earlier, using containers and boxes definitely helps. And unfortunately for my jewelry, it got tangled up. So use a better box than I did. This drawer is for any miscellaneous things that couldn't fit anywhere else. Yuri on Ice merch in here, BT21 box, but there's scrunchies inside of it. You know, you gotta reuse. This is the podcast camera that I had. It's what it came in, and this is what goes on my computer. The rest are like extra masks and all that, so I'm just gonna organize this. Always organize it in a way where the biggest thing is at the bottom and the smallest things at the top. So we've just made it to the worst part, the closet. What a disaster. It's not even that bad as I was about to say, because I did clean it like the other day, but the bottom, I tell you, hold on. Oh goodness. So, first tip with the closet. Make sure to have your hangers facing a certain way so that when you actually put on the clothes and you hang them up the opposite direction so that you know what you wear throughout the year. You'll see. I'm gonna organize these by maybe color. We'll see. Well, to explain what I was saying earlier, when you have clothes that you're putting on, like when you have clothes you're putting on and then you're done with it, hook it this way instead of like this so that you know what you wore. These are going in the back. This is my dorm room, so I barely have my clothes here. I might do another one. If you guys like this one, then I might do a closet like at my instead of the dorm room. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna take the containers down and we're just going to organize them. Finish the top section. And now I'm gonna work at the bottom. have nowhere to put like my long boots and shoes at the moment, so we're working with what we have. I think we did pretty darn good. So we are now moving on to the last part of the room, which is like other drawers full of clothing and stuff. So we're just gonna fold a little bit because folding helps you find your clothes better. For the top drawer is usually just like undergarments, some pajamas. Second drawer is also sort of pajamas and long sleeves and socks. And the third drawer is athletic wear, athleisure. I have a separate bag just to make room, a separate bag for undergarments and socks. So unfortunately, my phone is going to die in the next few seconds, and it always does this every time I try to record. It's the end of this cleanup tour, this clean up, clean out, dorm room, clean, messy thing, merger, you know what I mean? I wasn't able to show you the under of my bed, and you don't want to see the under my bed, but that'll definitely get done after this video. But thanks for watching, and if you like this video, like and subscribe. Peace, love, and grace. See you guys next week.